Introduction. Have you ever wondered how those tiny glowing lights in your TV remote, indicators, and even traffic signals work? Today, we'll explore one of the most widely used electronic components, the LED, or Light Emitting Diode. What is LED? An LED is a special type of diode that emits light when current passes through it. Unlike a regular bulb that uses heat to produce light, LEDs directly convert electrical energy into light, making them highly efficient. Symbol and structure. In circuit diagrams, an LED is represented by a diode symbol with two arrows pointing outwards, indicating light emission. Structurally, it consists of a semiconductor material, usually gallium arsenide or gallium phosphide, which emits photons when electrons recombine with holes. How does LED work? When a forward voltage is applied to the LED, electrons move across the junction and release energy in the form of light. The color of the LED depends on the semiconductor material and its energy band gap. Characteristics of LED. Works only in forward bias, requires a current-limiting resistor to prevent damage. Available in different colors, sizes, and brightness levels. Highly energy efficient and long-lasting compared to traditional bulbs. Applications of LED. LEDs are used everywhere. Indicator lights in electronics, display boards and traffic signals, remote controls and digital devices, streetlights, decorative lighting, and even medical devices. Conclusion. So LEDs may look small, but their impact is massive. They save energy, last longer, and are shaping the future of lighting technology. In the next lecture, we'll explore more about advanced semiconductor devices.